First we will see sum formula. Sum formula is a formula used to add numbers. Any number of numbers you can add. Okay. Now, if you see here, these are number of days, Monday, Tuesday. Then this is the salesman names. Now we need to calculate the sales. What is the total sales for Monday, Tuesday, like that. So the formula is, whenever you use a formula, you should use equal to sign. So the formula is equal to sum of open bracket. Select the range. You can select the range in two ways. One is with mouse, one is with keyboard. Now I'm selecting through mouse. B2 to B10. You have to read this like B2 to B10. Colon is there. So from B2 to B10 cells, what are the values available? It will be added. Sum is the addition formula. Now you see 1,76,277, 227. Now just we can do the same thing here, equal to sum open bracket, select the range of cells, close the bracket, enter. But why we need to do this? No need to type again the sum formula because we have copy paste method. We have paste special also, but here the simple copy paste is enough. You see control C, just copy this, go to the next cells where you want to paste the formula, press control V or press enter. Control V means the formula copied is still active, so you have to press escape. If you use, I will undo this. If you use enter, it will paste the formula as well as it will remove the dotted lines in the formula, copied formula. Okay. Now in the same way, I am doing it for vertical total equal to sum, open bracket, select the range, close the bracket, enter. Now you can copy and paste, or here you can drag and drop. You can drag it. Now you, so first method is copy paste, second method is you can drag. The third method is just select the formula cell, also select the other blank cells where you want the formula to be pasted, select all the cells, press Ctrl R. It will copy to the right. Okay, copy right. I mentioned here, copy to right. Next, the same way, equal to first formula you have to type, select the range, close the bracket, enter. Now select the formula cell along with other blank cells, Control D, press Control D. Now this will paste all the formulas below the first formula by the command Control D. Control D means copy to down. Okay, so Control or Control D. One method, copy paste second method. The other method is drag and drop. Now if you change, go to the right bottom corner, you can see the plus symbol turning into black plus. Now drag the formula wherever you want. The formula will be copy pasted. The same way, I'll create the formula here again. Now, if I drag this formula below, you will get the formula. So third method, drag and drop. Okay, for vertical formulas alone, vertical column wise formulas alone, you have another method. Just double click. Instead of dragging, you can even do double click. So you will get the formulas in the other cells. Okay, so three methods I have told you. Copy and paste using Control C, Control V. Second method, Control R or Control D. Third method, dragging the first formula cell to the blank cells where you want the formula to be pasted. Okay. In the third method, 3A, you can tell double click. Okay. So we have completed all the copy pasting formulas. Now, there is another way to create the formula. Even without any formula, you can create, first, even without single formula, you can create the formulas. How? That is with a shortcut. Excel has more than 450 plus formulas: engineering formula, financial formula, statistical formula, logical text formula, date formula, time formula. So many formulas are there, but no formula has shortcut. To my knowledge, there is no shortcut for any other formula except sum formula, which is Alt equal to. You have to press Alt and equal to simultaneously. You will get the formula. That is, the sum formula will be created here. B2 to B10, automatically cells will be selected. Only the numbers will be selected. Even though there is Monday name above that, it will not be selected. Press enter. Or you can also do like this. Select entire thing. Now press Alt equal to. You see, immediately that formula has come for all the cells, whether it is a row total or column total. In this way, you can create some formula in different ways. Creating a formula is only one method, but copy pasting you I told you three methods, and the shortcut is Alt equal to for auto sum. This will work for any number of ranges, any number of cells. Okay, this is sum formula.